My job is to study how plants grow in their environment and how they interact and respond to conditions they live in.
There's so much that we don't know about plants that we're learning every day, and there's still a lot of novel discoveries being made.
I feel like I'm able to make change.
We have so many different crops and unique fields of study that folks are very much needed in.
I think I was really fascinated by just how complex the environment is.
Like nurture versus nature of the plant's given behavior. How much of that behavior is controlled by their biological nature or the environment they're being grown in?
We can then use that information to then select traits that are better suited for their ecosystem service.
I've always had this huge curiosity about the natural world, and now I get to do that for work.
We need enthusiastic, motivated people to take these jobs because there's a lot of challenges at hand, and we need creative thinkers to take those roles.
We have people who are better suited to working in the lab, designing experiments. There's opportunity for people to communicate the science and go to conferences. There's roles for folks to also analyze the data who maybe are more adept at computer skills.
There's opportunities to work, in landscaping, in sports fields. You can do research. There's sales or marketing. There's a lot of opportunity to get creative, and there's a lot of startups. There's also formulation, which is kind of the creation of new pesticides, fertilizers.
This is a field of work you can do on any continent, any state.
You can really make an impact. You can leave a legacy. The USA really depends on agriculture, so we're going to be working with something that is critical for the whole population.